Vlog, what go on? Just I come from the barber shop. When you want the trim get stale. So I just say I have to just, you know, I'm gonna catch a quick prep site. And tomorrow the vlog gonna really start still. You know, say a long time you don't see me. And I miss me too, man. But you know, sometimes the boy have to disappear to turtle back like a turtle back. I was also busy, you know? Busy, man. Busy like a drizzy. Here now look frizzy. You see me look at coil them. I'm sure enough to get to coil them one day. You see it? Next time you see me, tomorrow. On the vlog. Because we are going on the road. We do some things for link. So yeah. I drop in some little piece of clips and them something. So tomorrow. But you just wanna gonna see haircut and them something like tomorrow. Alright.
And I'm blind here. I just early morning thing. I try to wake up. Yikes.
Oh, that's on my lip. Alright. Boy, I look too shabby. Our vlog, so we're done, you know? Makeup and all that. We're about to hit the streets now, so I might get some little clippings on everything that we're kind of cleaned up. Maybe change the shirt and that's it. We're good. Reach downtown and I was eating. Just go and cool in our bus because out the door and then you don't want to sweat off all the way you just put on and everything. So I cool off in our bus. And then, you know, I'm going to go and line up the people them outside to talk to. Hope we can deal with it nice and, you know? Bring it right there and that's the Yo, every time I do them things, I get nervous a little bit, but then after you get out the first 3, 4, you kind of just chill and you start just flow, you know. Should be good. I top make video on them thing there, you see me, if you need me, a breadfruit me a roast, you understand? Yeah, me downtown a roast breadfruit. Link me when you're ready. Just ask for Too Crazy Breadfruit Man, aka Breadfruit Dan, over Bus Park. That's two me have now, you know, me just a start out, but when the thing grow, start bus way. You see me? So, we never get none of when we dip on the road, but we're done the location, we just get some refreshments and everything there. You know? Yeah. And then we head off to the next location. And after that we're done. So I might shoot some shit so yeah, we get to see what's going on. Yeah, after that. I'm kind of tired from Thursday.
I have choices.
A very important question to ask after, you know, you've done anything in this life, or if somebody complained about something, you know. But did you dive? Very important. I don't see no one of the because you know every time I do something, phone in my pocket, I'm forget to give somebody a phone and say, yo, video this. So yeah, and that. I might be with it so that somebody do that for me, isn't it? Almost done, I think. Almost finished. As you know, you can see me, I sweat out hell. Place hot. Sorry, uncle. I have one more interview, I think, and then that is it. I feel the water running all over my body. My face, my neck, my back. Soak. If you don't get to sit up there, so I get a bit of comfort. You know me? I never become not drinking water, right? I'm just a seafood.
It's hot. Super hot.
Alright, so I never get to see certain things, but we're done now. You know, I'm tired, I'm hot, my shirt is wet. It was a good day. You know? And you say, if you want money, you know how to run. And I saw you saying, go. I saw me say it though, if you want money, you know how to run. So we're heading back to the bus, you know, and then I think my time to get dropped off so I can get my bus to go back home. But all in all, it was good. Big up to everybody who's a part of it. Shout out to Link, and if you don't have Link, make sure you go download it. The new ABM feature. It's a great improvement to an already great app. Yeah? And I know some support Link from before, you know what I mean? Because it's just a great idea overall. I'm really glad to be dropping at Jamaica and we have something like Cash App and all them something there. So big up Link again. The entire team is tired and they want to go to the yard and hungry and everybody fed up. But it was good. Yeah? It was worth it. So when the finished product drop, you'll see. Take care of yourself, people. Keep it too crazy.